Varinia, talking about uh, CSR, Asia growing up, emerging markets coming up, what ramification do you see from an external affairs point of view? How do you actually look at it from the external point of view? How much do you relate that this phenomena is now coming from the West, but the West is also learning from our experiences, from innovations here? How is the West capitulating it? We saw some great stories today from the morning, but what is your take on it? How from an external affairs point of view, you look at it as this evolution to be born here and to be taken there?
I think innovation is something that should be welcomed by all, and that sharing, I think, best practices is something that we should all be working for. And this is exactly a laboratory. This forum is exactly one such um, laboratory to show that this is possible. Um, from the corporate point of view, we are always on the lookout um, for innovations that we can shamelessly borrow, and I think this is something that should be universally shared, so that we can all profit from what our friends from Asia or in different areas, we can all profit from what they have learned and what they have experienced, um, and use it in our own enterprises, in our endeavors to make it more successful. What my takeaway is from all the discussions that I have witnessed in the last few days, my takeaway is that CSR, to be innovative and to be more meaningful to all the stakeholders, it has to be in the nexus, a kind of a connection for all the interests of the stakeholders to be um, considered and taken into account into the decisions made on CSR initiatives.